5 seconds to go. Start. This was, in our opinion, a unique case where Red Fort, a place of paramount importance for every Indian heart, was attacked, where three Indian soldiers lost their lives. Stop. This is a place with glorious history, a place of great honor for every Indian, a place with which every Indian is attached emotionally, and a place from where our first Prime Minister delivered his speech on 15th August 1947, the day when India broke the shackles of foreign rule and became a free country. Stop. It has since then been a tradition that every honorable Prime Minister of this country delivers an address to the nation on every 15th August to commemorate that great event. Stop. This fort was visualized and constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shahjahan, who is known as Shahjahan the Builder. Stop. It took 9 years for its completion. Stop. It was here that Shahjahan ascended the throne on 18th April 1648 amidst recitation of sacred ayats of Holy Quran and mantras from Hindu scriptures. Stop. The great historical monument thereafter saw the rule of number of Mughal emperors including Aurangzeb. Stop. It also saw its most unfortunate capture by Nadir Shah. Stop. It was in 1837 that the last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar II took over the throne. Stop. Para. It must be remembered that it was during the empire of Bahadur Shah Jafar II that the first war of independence was fought. Stop. Red Fort became the ultimate goal during that war of independence, which broke out in the month of May 1857. Stop. The fort breathed free air for a brief period. Stop. But ultimately, in the month of September 1857, it was captured by the British, Red Fort is not just one of the several magnificent monuments that were built by the Mughal emperors during their reign for nearly 3 centuries. Stop. It is not just another place which people from within and outside the country visit to have a glimpse of the massive walls on which the fort stands or the exquisite workmanship it displays. Stop. It is not simply a tourist destination in the capital that draws thousands every year to peep and revel into the glory of the times bygone. Stop. Its importance lies in the fact that it has for centuries symbolized the seat of power in this country. Stop. It has symbolized the supremacy of the Mughal and the British empires, just as it symbolizes, after independence, the sovereignty of the world's largest democratic republic. Stop. It is a national symbol that evokes the feelings of nationalism amongst the countrymen and reminds them of the sacrifices that the freedom fighters made for the liberation of this country from foreign rule. No wonder, even after the fall of the fort to the British forces in the First War of Independence in 1857 and the shifting of the seat of power from Red Fort to Calcutta and later to New Delhi. Stop.